All right, guys, we're gonna do a repair test today on this shingle right here. This one obviously wind damaged, so we're gonna attempt to take this shingle out. To do that, we've got to remove the nails 2 rows high so we can get to this shingle. So we're gonna start by breaking loose the other tabs. All right, making sure we get everything popped loose. Got to go 2 rows up. We can get it all broke loose. All right, now we got to remove the nails, flat bar. Okay, how we're gonna do that? We're gonna go underneath the affected shingle, okay? We're gonna go underneath the affected shingle and pull the nails up. All right, we'll start here. Get that seated in there. We can pull our nail out. To our next one. Real careful. See if we got them all. All right, shingle's out. All right, we're gonna put that shingle back in. All right, we're gonna make sure we get everything flush, all the nails back flush. All right. Get everything lined back up correctly. All right. Then we're gonna put the nails back in. I didn't want it to. Making sure we're driving them flush back in. Okay. Double check in. All of our nails are flushed. As you can see, we've removed the shingles. What you're seeing here is causing a lot of granular loss here, okay? You can see that by having to lift these shingles up, didn't go past 45, making sure that we can drive those nails flush. We've caused further damage, all right, then we're repairing. So we want to make sure that we're not doing that. This repair test failed.